Today we are going to be learning about welding and woodworking. In our last lesson, we learned about wood and metal. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about how you can join a piece of metal with another piece of metal by melting them together, which is what welding is, or woodworking. Woodworking is when you use nails or screws to put two pieces of wood together. Let's look at some pictures of these things. You can see in this picture that this man is wearing a mask. If you look at what he's doing, you see all that smoke. This is because he is welding. He's melting the two pieces of metal together. You can see his glasses. These glasses are specially made to protect his eyes while he is welding. This picture is welding. You can see the glasses. In this picture, you can see closer what they are doing. You see all this bright light, so you need the special glasses to put over your eyes. You can see that this man is wearing gloves. The gloves will make it so he will not be hurt by the metal. And you can see he is also wearing the special welding mask. This is woodworking. The hammer is putting the nail into the piece of wood. This is woodworking. Instead of using a hammer and a nail, this is a screwdriver putting in a screw. This last picture shows a man cutting a piece of wood with a saw. You can see that these men are wearing safety glasses. Whenever you are working with wood or metal, such as woodworking or welding, you need to make sure that your eyes are always protected. Now let's get out some glasses so you can see what welding glasses and woodworking glasses look like. So here I have two different kinds of glasses. Right here are the welding glasses. You can see that they have this special cover. This is so the bright light will not be able to hurt your eyes. You need these when you are welding. These are for woodworking. This is so when you are sawing or hammering, the pieces of wood don't get to your eyes because they could hurt your eyes. So David, you want to try on this welding mask? So look at the camera. This is how David looks in a welding mask. Now let's have you try on the woodworking glasses. So if we put these on, then we will be able to safely do woodworking. Here I have some woodworking tools and a block of wood, so we can do a little bit of woodworking. This is specially made to smooth the edges of wood. You can make the edge of the wood smoother by doing this. So David, if you fill this, and then you fill this, you can feel a difference. That is what this tool is used for. I've also brought this electric screwdriver. and a screw. So I'm going to put the screw on the screw bit, and I'm going to put the screw in. I've put this screw into the piece of wood. You can use screws to connect two pieces of wood with each other. Now I will unscrew the screw and I will put in the nail. I will take the hammer and I will hammer in the nail. When you are doing this, you need to make sure that you have an adult with you. Hammers are very heavy. If you try holding this, you can feel how heavy this hammer is. And if the hammer you are trying to hammer in a nail hit one of your fingers, you could get hurt. This is why you need to make sure you have an older when you are using any of these woodworking supplies. So we could put this nail even more in, and then if we wanted to pull the nail out, that is when the back comes handy. If you see how this back is shaped, it will perfectly fit around the nail so we can pull out the nail. So we've pulled this nail out with the back of the hammer. Now let's do a problem like the one that you're going to do. Metal grows on trees. True or false? So you remember that we learned that we get metal out of rocks or dirt. So you click on the false button. Good luck!